Kessler here with Beth and Associates. Thanks for coming today. This is a great house in Forest Hills. We're at 8320 San Leandro Drive. Huge lot, really cool Palm Springs style, mid-century modern. 4 bedrooms. Let's check it out. Everything's been updated top to bottom. You've got brand new hardwood floors. You've got custom cabinetry. You've got quartz counters, new Thor appliances here, built-in fridge, and these really cool, unique like barn doors to give it like a little Texas flair to it as well. Beautiful fireplace here. One of the cool things I like about this house is it's got unique tile, that real mid-century tile. Check out this utility room, look at the tile there. We're up on the 2nd story. This is a flex space. It could be a mother-in-law suite. It could be a great game room for kids. Huge closet. You've got these great views. You can see the pine trees. Your own ensuite bath here. And you know, you can kind of make it what you want. Got the primary suite here. 2 closets. You got this great walk-in shower here. Double vanity. Extra built-in cabinets. We've got 2 bedrooms that are the secondary bedrooms. They're on the back side of the house. They flow into a Jack and Jill bath. This is a fantastic backyard. You could do a play place back there. You could put a fire pit back here. It's a huge lot and tons of space for whatever you want to do. I love how they did the board-on-board wood here with the lighting. I'd probably put a swing outside and sit out here and relax. All right, thanks for coming to our humble abode here in Forest Hills, 8320 San Leandro Drive. If you have any questions about the property, if you want to tour the property, you can call me or text me and we'll be happy to show it to you.